Good morning, YouTube. All right, we've got to take care of a few small things today. First of all, it's Thursday, so we've got a live tonight. But second of all, we need to go get new tires on the Lamborghini because the rear tires are completely bald.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
So what's cool is, as a dealer, we actually can get wholesale accounts with different tire places. And believe it or not, I know everyone craps on discount, but we've got a wholesale account with Discount Tire, and we have a guy. He's our guy. You know, like, we got a guy. I got a guy. Well, our guy really takes care of us. He makes sure that they do a really good job. They don't ever screw up any of the wheels. They do a really good job. So, hey, you know what? If it works, it works. So I gotta take it over to Discount, get some new tires. Well, YouTube, I'm striking out today. I went to Discount, and then we realized we need a T80 Torx bit to get the wheels off because it's got T80 lugs. So I walked next door. They didn't have a tool bit. I walked next door to an AutoZone. They didn't have a T80. I drove over to a Lowe's. They don't have a T80. I'm not even sure I have a T80, so I think I'm gonna scratch for today, go home and order a T80. So a complete waste of time. Yay! All right, YouTube, we're at EAG. I just gotta go take the 599 to go get washed. It's gonna get picked up on the truck today, so my last time driving it. 5599. Yes. And yes, the final gate with stainless, so it clicks. Yes, no more squeaks. Alright, YouTube, ended up staying here all day just helping out around the shop and stuff. Guess we're gonna go home and get ready for the live, eat some dinner and prep for the live. It's really, really nice out. It's like 70 degrees out. It's awesome. Good morning, YouTube. So we have some progress on the garage build. So I got the first drawings and they need my approval. I want some changes to the electrical system and to a few other minor things, but so far this is gonna be sweet. Here's the basic plans. We have the 3-car detached garage. You can see it's 45 feet wide, 45 feet long, 35 feet wide. It's gonna have 2 doors, a 2-car door and then a single car door. And then down here, you can see this is kind of what it's gonna look like. So we've got the stone door, stucco, door, stone, roof line. And then on the side of the building, it's gonna have just a regular door right there. That's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple building. So it's, you know, not too much to it. It's what, 1,575 square feet. Should be able to fit 6 cars. The plan is we'll have 4 4-post lifts on the side with the 2-car garage door. So you have the ability to pull into 4 different spots. And then on the right hand side, the single door, I want 2 2-post lifts. So that'll be like the working side, and then the other side will be like storage side. Obviously we can add the lifts later. We don't need to do that immediately, but that would be the eventual goal. So that way we can fit in an emergency up to 12 cars in there. Now obviously we generally wouldn't want more than 10 because 10 would put 8 on the 4-post lifts and then 2 where the 2-post lifts are. But you know, you don't really want to be parking cars underneath cars that are being worked on because they might be leaking or whatever. So, but in an emergency we could. So there you go, progress, and hopefully it comes out really good. So it's scary to think this is all happening finally. Well, YouTube, so you know, if you've been watching the channel, we did buy a project car and it's on its way here. It should be here within the next video or two. I just ordered a bunch of parts for it. So haven't gotten the car yet. We're already ordering stuff for it, of course. You know, that's how it works. So we'll bring you along. We'll obviously show you all of that work as soon as we get those parts. It's going to be pretty fun. So I'm really looking forward to next week. Next week will be a lot of wrenching. So yeah, that's going to be awesome. I can't wait. I haven't wrenched on a car in a little while because we haven't had anything to wrench on really. So it's just been kind of chill. So speaking of wrenching, we're going to do sort of wrenching, I guess. We gotta fix something. So this side view mirror in the Lamborghini, as you can see, is cracked. So we need to pop it out. So I think it literally just pops out. So what I'm going to do is get in there, turn the thing so it turns it all the way to one side, so I can get a tool in here and just pry it gently and see if that pops out. Supposedly that does, so we'll give it a shot. So you can see now the mirror is got a gap. We've got some pry tools. Obviously you want to use some plastic pry tools. I'm going to set the camera down and see if we can get that thing pried out. The actual... Oh, well, it comes off easier than expected. There's something else. Aha. Okay. Interesting how it's held on. There is a little electrochromatic thing there. There. Ta-da! Got the mirror. Okay. Old broken mirror. Ooh, new pretty mirror. Hi YouTube. All right, let's pop that sucker on there. All right, get that thing plugged in first. Okay. And then very carefully pop it on there. Oh, that was really easy. Okay, well, we have a new mirror. I was fully expecting that to take like 10 minutes, and it took like 1. So it was super easy. Well, there you have it. If you need to replace the side view mirror on a Lamborghini Huracan, just gently pop off the old one, disconnect the plug it in the new one, pop it on. I mean, obviously you gotta be a little bit careful because it's still glass, but that was super easy. Okay, onward.